Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Every police officer has a responsibility to maintain national security by preventing crime and ensuring that others follow the rules, regulations and governmental laws. The top 10 nations with the best police forces are ranked below based on their performance, effort and the security system and procedures they have in place to efficiently maintain the law. Each police force will be ranked according to their training and past performance. Number 10. Italy Police Force. The Italian National Police ranks 10th among the world top police agencies due to their exclusive establishment and effective implementation of the Italian anti-mafia section. They have the best trained force in the world. The team was also responsible for the capture of two of the most deadly and ruthless mafia bosses who were hiding in the depths of Barren Mountain, a point that should not be overlooked. The anti-mafia police force has conducted themselves in a professional, knowledgeable and exceedingly manner which is really praiseworthy. Number 9. Chinese Police Force. One of the best police force in the world is the Chinese Police Force. They undertake cutting-edge training techniques that have greatly benefited in the fight against crime. This force is trained to be proactive and respond to provoke or crime with the necessary procedure through conditioning the mind and body. They go through strict discipline. When compared to other police forces, the Chinese police force has a high level of originality. Their tactical moves are among of the best in the world. This outstanding talent has reduced the arrogance typically displayed by other police officers. Number 8. Germany Police Force. Germany has an established facility, German Police University, where all police newbies undergo intensive education and study and training. This degree of specialization in the police university has served as a means of equipping the force and regulation to ensure that each officer is equipped with the same degree of knowledge of the justice system. The German police has strongly opposed and conquered the world's most powerful crime leader, Adolf Hitler. Their independence in maintaining law and order throughout the Holocaust years has earned them a place in the top 10 police force in the world. Number 7. Australian Police Force. The pristine tourist attraction and the Sydney Opera House is not the only thing Australia is known for. The Australian Police Force has gained reputable influence and has climbed up the radar in becoming a powerful attraction. The Australian Police Force is known to uphold the highest standard in law enforcement. The Australian Police Force has employed strategies to practically and effectively enforce the practice of gender equity by equipping women to combat crime. This strategy has gone a long way in eliminating the problem of women molestation. By training and equipping more women into the force, more women are kept from harm's way and reduce cases of women being victims of the crime on the street. Number 6. US Police Force. There are several police departments in the United States. However, the New York Police Department, Los Angeles Police Department, California Highway Patrol are localized and standard force. Sadly, the method of apprehension employed by the local police department is brutal and extremely brush, but the New York Police Department is considered to be one of the best. They have achieved outstanding success in the area of crime prevention and law enforcement. The speed by which they rush to the rescue is highly commendable. Number 5. Japanese National Police. The Japanese Police Force, receiving training similar to that of the US military. The Japanese Training Institute, which dates back to the 60s, is the highest training institute for leaders. The Japanese policing structure is intense, flexible and versatile. Almost every non-aspect of law enforcement and crime prevention is covered by them. The Japanese National Police Force is one of the world's best trained forces. As a result of this amazing performance, they are ranked as the world's 5th best police force. Their willingness to go above and beyond the call of duty to help victims of natural catastrophes such as earthquake and police disturbance is absolutely extraordinary and honorable. Number 4. Police of France. The fourth on the list is the National Police of France. It has ranking as one of the best police in the world. The country of France is said to have experienced the largest bloodbath in history. The common police officer is not just equipped and trained to disarm bombs. France deliberately plan in advance before setting up their law enforcement squads. Each squad is given training to perform their duties. Like the municipal police are trained to combat minor crimes such as mugging, vehicle accident, speeding, fines and snatching. In the France policing system, each team is charged with the responsibility of ensuring that the country's glory is upheld all time. The Grand Marie National and Municipal Police are two squads of the France Police Unit. Aside this unit, France has also set up tactical forces charged with doing things slightly different than the other two units. They undergo different training and are reserved backup to assist the Grand Marie National and Municipal Police at request. Number 3. Police of Netherlands. The third on the list of the top 10 is the Netherlands Police. They are extremely well disciplined and well trained. The units of the Netherlands Police are well positioned to consist of primarily two central regional police services, and these units are under the Dutch Commissioner's command. Both units work together. This is incredible. These officers are deployed to oversee the day-to-day affairs affairs of citizens and no combat crime. They perform this duty with cheerfulness. The method of policing employed by the officers is that of proactivity to prevent crime even before it happens. Number 2. Canadian Police Force. The Canadian Police Force has a history of providing outstanding law enforcement services, and this reputation has earned it respect. Structures have been put in place to properly prepare this police force to respond skillfully in unexpected problems. It will sound conventional to claim that this quality along with other helps. The Canadian Police Force Training College serve as a burner for installing a strict sense of discipline in police officers. The Canadian Police Force is at the forefront of innovation and specialized development. As a result of this responsible approach, they take initiative in performing their jobs. Number 1. Police Force of England. Metropolitan Scotland Yard Police is the first on our top 10 list. They truly exceeded the call of duty when they launched a campaign raising awareness of the police awareness number. They have successfully achieved police protection in the nooks and crannies of the UK. The standard and discipline of this police is unparalleled. They are the most transparent police force in the world. It is an inclusive and flexible system of policing. This method of policing was founded by Robert Peel. This police is truly deserving of first place among the top 10 police force in the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.